I invite you to watch a film presenting the capabilities offered by Domestic Receivable Center's website, www.ncfd.co.uk. Thanks to the EU funds, a new website with online debt auctions was created. The website allows to recover debts and offers solutions that provide alternative ways of debt recovery. Introduction. The service has an ordered structure and is user-friendly. At the top left there is the logo, then the phone number and office hours, the login button and sign-up button, as well as the search engine. The menu bar is located below. From the left there is Debt Page, i.e. the main page of the website, Debt Auctions, then My Debts, Companies, Articles connected with the service operation, and Contact. On the right there is the language version option, Polish and English. The website as such is aimed at the local government institutions, legal and natural persons conducting business activity. At the bottom of this page there is the footer, which contains a repetition of the top menu buttons. The offer includes institutions, business clients, and natural persons conducting business activity. Then there is a link to the account, contact details, and information on the price list, debt auctions, and the legal base for action that is specified in the website's terms and conditions. Products for not logged-in users. If you are not logged in, you can visit the Debt Auctions page, where you can see all debts placed at auction. You can sort out those debts, for example, by name. The number of debts. The addition date. The end date. The initial price. And the debt amount. Additionally, at the debt auction you can see the debtor's name and the current highest bid. You can also find out more details about the debts, the creditors who placed the debt, and the debtor. This information is available to not logged-in users. So now we will sign up to use the service as a logged-in user. Registration. Registration process. After clicking the registration button, we can enter the registration form. You can register as a user by name and surname. But you have to enter the tax identification number of the company you represent, or you can register as a company right away. In the case of registration by name and surname, the system requests to enter the tax identification number of the represented company. The system has the so-called geolocator, which allows to mark the address on the map. The address will be recorded automatically from the map. After the acceptance of the data by the system, an email message is sent, which includes a link that must be clicked in order to activate the account. After clicking the activation link, the account is activated. Now we have an account in the platform. We are logged in automatically, but we can repeatedly log in with the password and log in at subsequent times. We log in. After logging in, let's enter our profile page. We start with the tab of your receivables, your debts. I have entered receivables beforehand. At the top there is the receivables list with a presentation that includes the debt name, the debtor's tax identification number, debt value, and its status and planned actions. The status can be as followed: published, not auctioned, auctioned, or draft. The following planned actions are available: published receivables, edit or delete them using the symbol X. Now we are going to publish receivables. In the left menu, there is an Add Debt option. Here we can add new receivables by entering or searching for the tax identification number of a company already existing in the system, the amount of debt, debt name, what branch the debt or debtor belongs to, when the liability arose, the deadline for payment, and documents related to the case, e.g. an invoice. Documents constitute a separate tab in the menu. We have the possibility to see the list of uploaded documents or to upload a new document. We can upload documents in the JPEG format. A document should be selected from the disk, named and saved. After uploading the document, we automatically go to Your Receivables tab, and the name of the uploaded document appears in the table. For example, invoice number 1, the date of creation, and the Create Debt button. Now let's check the user's data in the profile. I click Profile in the top menu, and then here the link to your account data. In the preview, I have the name and address. Moreover, I am going to edit the Your Profile data. I can change or complete the data entered during the logging in. To introduce changes, enter new data and press the red Update button. Then the changes will be saved. Please note that the tax identification number entered previously cannot be changed. When everything is done correctly, above the form and the profile, a message indicating that the changes have been saved is displayed. In the Account Data tab, we also have the Password Change form with 3 boxes to be completed: Current Password, New Password, Repeat New Password. Then the link to delete the account. Then the link to change the email address. Making changes always requires entering the password. In case of a joint stock company, the service may ask you to confirm your right to represent the company. Then you must enter into the system the confirmation of the right to represent the company, e.g. a document from the National Court Register in the PDF or JPEG format. The Justification Report box is a field that allows for sending messages to the service administrator. The message should include the information what the file includes, e.g. I am authorized to represent the limited liability company as the president. Or, I am an authorized representative of the company, and my power of attorney arises from the power of attorney agreement signed with the company. I place the file with the power of attorney in the service. Once the positive verification is made by the administrator, the user will have the power of attorney established to represent the company in the service. The Your Auction tab. You can start your own auction only if you have uploaded receivables. I have already uploaded one auction, and now I will publish it. I click the Unlock Padlock icon and confirm it with the Publish button in the pop-up window. As I have more receivables, I can publish another auction. Let's say that such the following situation has occurred. We have come to a conclusion that we have no impact on the debtor who evades paying the debt, and we want to sell our receivables to another entity at the highest possible price. That's why we put it on auction. We click Add Auction, then we fill in the fields: title, initial price, branch, start date, end date, description, additional description, the receivables field we select from current receivables. We click Save. In this way, we have created an auction. Other functions. Here we check whether somebody has uploaded our company as a debtor. Fortunately, we are not anyone's debtor. Let's check what is on our debtor's account. After the publication, our receivables is visible in the Your Debts tab on their account. Moreover, they have been informed about making the debt public. Debtor received an email with information. My bids. In the My Bids tab, there is a summary of activities connected with the participation in bids of one's receivables. I have decided to take part in one of the bids. The service informs me about the bid end date, about the highest offer, and shows my offer. In order to take part in another bid, I must enter the Debt Auction tab and pick up a debt that is put up for auction. Click the highest bid and submit a bid higher than the top one. In this way, we take part in the auction and drive up prices, i.e. submit an offer to purchase the debt. Another option we're seeing is the Notifications tab. When we set notifications, we will have their preview in the notifications list. This is how the current list of my notifications looks like. On the setting page, we tick from 1 to 3 notifications, which are publishing your contractor's debt, putting your contractor's debt on auction, editing your contractor's data. We can have notifications delivered to our mobile phone or email. Subscriptions tab. The Subscription tab includes my subscription status, showing which are active, unpaid, canceled, and expired. At the moment, I have one unpaid activity, but I am interested in starting another. I click the right to add. Two options are displayed: Factoring Company PLN 150 and Other Debt Collection Agency PLN 250. After selecting, I click the Create option. Then the subscription list displays the subscription that should be paid. That's it. Within the past few minutes, you have had an opportunity to familiarize yourself with the principles of operation for the service offered at ncfd.co.uk. Thank you for your attention.